Best Apple TV Plus deals in 2026. How to watch Apple TV Plus for free or for the lowest price if you keep hearing people talk about Apple originals like Severance, Silo, Slow Horses, The Morning Show, and new releases such as Echo Valley. There's a reason. Apple TV Plus has gone from the small streaming service to one of the most respected platforms for premium high-quality originals. The even better news. In 2026, you don't have to pay full price to watch it. In this complete guide, you'll learn the best Apple TV Plus deals in 2026. How to get Apple TV Plus free for up to 3 months. How to combine offers legally. And how to keep your streaming costs as low as possible without using sketchy sites or unsafe logins. Why Apple TV Plus is worth watching in 2026. Apple TV Plus built its reputation differently from Netflix or Disney Plus. Instead of dropping thousands of titles, Apple focuses on fewer shows with bigger budgets, top-tier casts, and consistently strong reviews. Some of the most popular and talked about Apple TV Plus series in 2026 include Severance, a mind-bending sci-fi thriller that turned workplace drama into prestige television. Silo, one of the strongest modern dystopian series, packed with mystery and tension. Slow Horses, a sharp, gritty spy drama with a dark sense of humor. The Morning Show, a premium drama known for big performances and headline-level storylines. Ted Lasso, still one of the most loved feel-good series in streaming. Echo Valley, one of Apple's most anticipated titles drawing new viewers to the platform. Apple TV Plus also keeps investing in original movies, documentaries, and international content. The library is smaller than Netflix, but the average quality is high, making it a great pick for viewers who care more about what's worth watching than what's available. Apple TV Plus price in 2026. Standard subscription cost before discounts and promotions. Here's what most people pay. Apple TV Plus monthly price. $9.99.99. Free trial. 7 days for eligible new subscribers. That standard price is already competitive. But Apple offers multiple official ways to reduce the cost to nearly zero for months at a time. Best Apple TV Plus. Free trials and deals in 2026. Apple TV Plus. 7-day free trial. This is the default Apple TV Plus free trial for many new users, and it's one of the easiest to activate. What you get: full access to the entire Apple TV Plus library, no ads, no restrictions. Cancel anytime during the trial to avoid charges. 4. People who want to binge a full season quickly. Anyone who wants to test Apple TV Plus risk-free before subscribing. Tip: start the free trial when you actually have time to watch. Timing alone can save you money. Get up to 3 months free with a new Apple device. One of the best Apple TV Plus deals in 2026 is still tied to buying eligible Apple hardware. If you purchase a new Apple device, you may qualify for a longer Apple TV Plus free trial, often up to 3 months. Eligible devices commonly include iPhone, ePadmical TV streaming device. How it typically works: you sign in with your Apple ID on the new device. The offer appears in the Apple TV app or is delivered via account prompts. You redeem it and start watching instantly. Best for anyone already planning to buy a new iPhone, iPad, Mac, or Apple TV. People who want Apple TV Plus free for months instead of days. Important: this offer can depend on region and eligibility rules, and it's usually limited to one offer per Apple ID for a given promotion. Apple One Bundle. Best long-term value for Apple users if you're already paying for other Apple services. Apple One can be the most cost-effective way to get Apple TV Plus. In 2026, Apple One bundles can include Apple TV Plus, Apple Music, Apple Arcade, Apple Fitness, plus iCloud storage in many bundle tiers. Why it's a smart deal: if you already subscribe to Apple Music or plan to, Apple One often costs less than paying separately. You get one combined bill and the value adds up fast. Best for people deep in the Apple ecosystem family, sharing services anyone who wants A steady discount instead of temporary free trials, mobile carrier, and partner promotions. In many countries, Apple TV Plus promotions appear through mobile carriers, internet providers, and retail partners. Common types of Apple TV Plus partner deals. 3 months free with select phone plans. Apple TV Plus. Included inside an entertainment bundle, redemption codes through carrier apps or benefits pages. These deals change often, so it's worth checking your mobile provider's benefits, add-ons, or rewards page. Email offers from your carrier, your device retailer's current promotions. Best for people who want Apple TV Plus without adding another separate monthly bill. Anyone who already pays for a premium phone plan. Can you really watch Apple TV Plus for free in 2026? Yes, legally and safely, if you use official options like Apple TV Plus free trial, Apple device purchase promotions, Apple One bundles, carrier, and partner deals. What to avoid? Free Apple TV Plus accounts from strangers, shared logins from random people. Online suspicious websites promising unlimited access, unofficial codes, and shady apps using official offers. Protects your account, your payment info, your devices, and your streaming quality. Apple TV Plus versus Netflix versus Disney Plus in 2026. Apple TV Plus competes differently than the big platforms. Netflix. Huge library, usually higher monthly cost, quality varies widely. Disney Plus. Strong franchises and family-focused content, great for Marvel, Star Wars, Pixar, and Disney classics. Less focus on adult prestige drama compared to Apple TV Plus originals. Apple TV Plus. Smaller library, higher average quality, premium originals, and prestige storytelling. No ads on Apple TV Plus content. If you want a massive catalog, Netflix wins. If you want franchises, Disney Plus wins. If you want consistently high quality originals, Apple TV Plus is one of the best choices in 2026. Is Apple TV Plus worth paying for after the free trial? For many viewers, yes, especially if you prefer premium originals. Top reasons people keep Apple TV Plus. Consistently strong Apple originals, no ads, frequent new releases throughout the year, works across iPhone, Android devices via app support in many regions, smart TVs, streaming boxes, and browsers. Family sharing support in many setups, making it easier to share at home. Apple TV Plus is also easy to use as a subscribe, binge, cancel service. You can join for a month, watch what you want, cancel, and come back when the next big series drops. Pro tips to save even more on Apple TV Plus. In 2026, activate free trials only when you have time to watch daily. Use Apple One if you already pay for Apple Music or other Apple services. Use family sharing where allowed instead of paying for multiple accounts. Cancel between seasons if you only watch specific shows. Watch for seasonal promotions around major Apple launches and holiday sales. Check your mobile carrier benefits page every few months for new Apple TV Plus offers. The goal is simple. Never pay full price unless you're actively using the service. Final verdict. The best way to get Apple TV Plus in 2026. If you're new to Apple TV Plus, start with the 7-day Apple TV Plus free trial and binge your must-watch shows. If you're buying an Apple device, claim the up to 3-month free Apple TV Plus offer and treat it like a bonus subscription. If you're already using Apple services, go with Apple One for the best long-term value. Apple TV may not have the biggest library, but in 2026, it's easily one of the best streaming services for high-quality shows, and with the right deal, it can cost you nothing or almost nothing.